the Graves Motorsports brake lever guard for Kawasaki street motorcycles. So this brake lever guard and mirror adapter fits almost all of the Kawasaki street bike handlebars. It's designed to work with the stock handlebars, and let me show you how we install it. We're going to remove the 8mm bolt that holds the stock bar end weight. Remove the weight. Install the bolt. Install the spacer. Now you should torque this to 22 Newton meters, and you should always use Loctite. And you can mount your CRG or similar type bar mirror mount on this adapter piece here.